Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to build a leveraged buyout financial model. So here's the prompt. Let me walk you through the prompt, and Claude basically is going to do everything for you, okay? So you are an investment professional at Blackstone, evaluating a potential LBO or leveraged buyout transaction. You wanted to analyze the deal structure, including debt and equity financing. And of course, we have context, instruction, input, and output. I want you to calculate the debt schedule, interest payments, equity value at exit, and tell me, of course, what is the IRR or the internal rate of return. The input data is going to be, well, the total purchase price is $100 million. A private equity firm is going to go and acquire a company, and it's going to buy this company using both equity and using debt, right? So here we have that 100 million total purchase price. It's going to be 70 million coming from debt financing and 30 million coming out from equity contribution. This is going to be the annual EBITDAs, around $20 million approximately. And the debt interest rate is 10%. And this is going to be the output indicator. So basically, I wanted to get the entire financial model. And really, all I need to do is to copy this prompt. I'm going to come back. I'm going to open Claude. And let's go ahead and do that. So of course you can run that directly in Excel, or you can just open Claude. And I'm going to come here and you can just paste it, or of course you can alternatively just call the Claude app. I'm going to come back here, say new chat. And of course you have chat, you have Cowork and code. Let's go ahead and run it in chat and just click run. So what's going to happen, it's going to take a few minutes for it to run. But basically, it's going to build an entire LBO or leveraged buyout model for you. So let's wait and see. So right now it's running the command. It is going to read the Excel skills because it understood that here we wanted to build an Excel financial model. And now it is generating that basically. It's running here the code. And let's maybe give it a few minutes. If you are enjoying this video so far, please check out the AI Builders Lab community on School, where you can connect with others building the future of AI. You can also stay up to date with the latest and greatest tools. And this community basically is for AI builders who want to stay ahead of the curve. There's over 2,900 people have already joined. You can see here under Classroom, we have a lot of courses already pre-recorded. Also under Calendar, here we run a lot of live sessions as well. So we can build AI agents. And if you go to Map, now you can connect with a lot of members from all over the world. You can connect with members from all over the world. And also, it's a gamified experience. So now you can have leaderboards where people can go and make contributions to the community. And with that, that's all I have for this. And with that, let's go back to the video. So here we go. So now you should see a financial model basically has been created here for you. And you can see here all the return analysis. And if you say open in Excel, of course, you can see it here on the right-hand side, or you can just say open in Excel. And it should open and look at this. So here we go. So now you should see the financial model has been built. It's going to tell you basically the metric here is going to be 5x. Let's open the debt schedule. So look at this. And let's go to the return analysis. So this is the return analysis. And basically, I calculated this before. And I also kind of performed the sanity check using Gemini and also using ChatGPT. And you'll see that the IRR is around 30% approximately. Of course, this is amazing because now it's already like also editable file, right? So you can play around as well here with these numbers. And if you can see here, the IRR or the internal rate of return is around 30% basically in that deal. Okay. All right, with that, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.